This is Mr. McCarthy, early Tuesday morning, putting together what's going to constitute website tutorial video number 6. What we're going to be working with today are tables. So tables are a unique construction in HTML. It takes a little bit of concentration and study to get a handle on tables. And so we're going to get started right away. First thing we're going to do on our main page is we're going to add that. We're going to add a table link before we even create it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy here, paste, and we're going to call this tables. Tables. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save that. See if it shows here. Whoops, we need a break tag. Put that right here. Save. And there's my tables. Let's see what that page looks like. Oh, doesn't exist. Why is that? I haven't created it yet. All right, so let's do that right now. So Command N. Okay, here is my tables page. Okay, so I'm going to introduce some new tags for you. The first tag, simple to remember since we're building tables, is a table tag. Okay, just zoom in on that a little bit. There we go. All right, so as excuse me, with most things HTML, you have an open tag, which we have table. We have a close tag. Okay, so that contains our table. Okay, in addition to those tags, we have a TR tag, stands for table row, and then we have a TD tag, that stands for table data. But what I want you to think of is that table rows move from, whoops, don't want to do that. Table rows move from left to right. So rows move this way, and TDs, table data, they're columns. They move up and down. Table rows back and forth. Table data up and down. Okay? In the hierarchy of things, table rows control, let me restate that. They don't control, they are, let's see, how should I put this? You embed TDs within TRs. Okay? So this, what I'm showing you right now, is the most basic table. Okay? So let's see what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. File, save. So we'll call that tables, I believe that's plural, .html. You know, I've noticed in beginning journalism, a number of students are not adding that HTML at the end, and they're not getting HTML pages down here. They're TXT pages. What TextEdit does naturally is to extend that TXT extension. Unless you put HTML, you're not going to get an HTML page. Super important. The other thing is you save the name once. The first time you save for HTML. If you save the first time and it saves as a TXT, you have to redo it. And the best way to redo something, copy all of your work, Command C, start a new file, Command V for paste, and then save again. So it's relatively simple to catch up, but you have to recognize your mistake. So what I'd like you to do now is go ahead and check, make sure all of your files have HTML on them. Anything that has a TXT, you're going to need to redo. Okay? Just a little bit of advice from Mr. McCarthy here. All right, so we've created our tables page. Let's see what it looks like. Doesn't look like much, does it? Does not look like much. You know, one of the things we forgot to do on this tables page was we forgot to do the basics. So let's do those basics. HTML. You can see this is a little bit forgiving. In other words, we got that hi to show up even though we didn't create an HTML page. Let's just work with this. So title, we're going to call this tables. End tag for title. End tag for head. And again, a little bit of review. Titles are embedded inside of heads, which is embedded inside of, HTML. So let's put HTML down here, end tag. Okay, and then one thing we're missing, who knows what we're missing here? I'm going to take a sip of coffee, give you a chance to think about it. We're missing one tag here. That's right. The tag that we are missing is the body tag. Okay, and down here we need an end body tag. Okay, so for your tables page should look like this. I'm going to go ahead and save it. We can see the change. No, we won't see a change because there is no change here. Okay, so let's do that. And this is the end of, I'm just going to make an abrupt end here. This is the end of website tutorial number 6. This is Mr. McCarthy signing off.